Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators EMA, divergence, Stochastic Rsi and MACD are showing for it, so you can become a more successful trader. By looking at the hourly time frame for IOTA, we can see that the price moved up quickly with around 7.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 25.4 cents. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 23.6 cents. The support should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Next, looking at the Stochastic Rsi, like the RSI, it also shows when a price has been oversold or overbought. The Stochastic Rsi, however, improves sensitivity and generated a higher number of signals by moving quicker up and down. It consists of the %K and %D lines. The %D line is a moving average of the %K line, meaning that it moves slower. Cross points between the two lines can be perceived as showing a change in the trend. When we now look at the current hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Moving to the moving average convergence divergence, or short MACD, it uses two moving averages, usually the 12-period and the 26-period moving average subtracted from each other to create a single line, the MACD line. Another line is used as a signal line, which is usually the 9-period EMA. You should watch for crossing between these two lines for a trend change, respectively a trigger for buy and sell signals. There is also a histogram often to the MACD indicator, which shows the strength of the trend. When we now look at the current hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 21.8 cents. The support should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. On the lookout for divergences in the 3-hourly time frame. Owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the daily ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 19.9 cents. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. But as the price moved very quickly and is far over the ribbon, a pullback or some kind of consolidation could be expected before further move to the upside. Looking at the daily Stochastic Rsi, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has already shifted to the downside. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.